is a severe weather bulletin. The National Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Brown County in northeastern Wisconsin, Outagamie County in northeastern Wisconsin, until 9:30 a.m. At 7:52 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Gilley to near Amherst, moving southeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Green Bay, Appleton, Bayshore Park, Carcona, Little Chute, New London, Kimberly, Pulaski, Denmark, and Black Creek. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 a.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Brown and Outagamie. The current time is 7:54 a.m. Central Daylight Time.